Hey everybody, it's Jamie here, and before we start our wild ride on Magic Kingdom's Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, please do roll on up and click subscribe and like. Now then, the Magic Kingdom version of Big Thunder Mountain is located in Frontierland and depicts a once thriving gold mine desecrated by a flash flood. Fast forward to the now, and locomotives mysteriously race around the mountain without engineers or a crew. I'll be back a little bit later with some information about the ride, but for now, enjoy the coaster.
There we go. Hang it out.
Did you know that the tip of Big Thunder Mountain reaches 104 feet, that's 32 metres, and the locomotives reach just 35 miles per hour or 56 kilometres per hour? You need to be 40 inches to ride this coaster and can expect a traditional lap bar to help keep you secure. So, are you a fan of this classic coaster? Drop your comments below, I'd love to hear from you. And psst, don't forget to follow Travel Blog Jamie on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. I don't know why I'm whispering.